That's interesting too. As you can see in the tires, those are sink drains that made like your little hubcaps. And then the other is like PCV, just some kind of tubing to put through. But and then what we did is after we made all the parts, we attached a dog leash. And it's one of those retractable dog leashes. So the kids love it. After they build it, I mean, then they can actually play with it. And so then they pull it all over town. And a lot of times we'll bring it to some events and they just have like the best time doing that. So a lot of things that you can make, you could actually play with, like if you made a sphere or you could just play catch with it. Or we had this one thing we made and it was all different colors, and then we got some bowling pins and we rolled it. And so you can sometimes incorporate a lot of these toys into other things and make games, and so it's not just like a toy you're building and then that's it, and you can still have lots of fun with it. Yeah.
And when I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, okay, so you didn't just have the toys. You took a lot of like household things, incorporated them in there. And then also to understand the engineering behind how the axles would have to move so that the car could move on an even field, and how they would stay turn. And so you're working out a lot of different things here. So yeah, it's definitely more than just constructing. You're going beyond that.
Right. And we find that our toys can sometimes go with other toys. Like we had made a track once for like the Hot Wheel cars, and we took their little track and we worked it with our toy. And so sometimes you could take this and you could incorporate it some things that you might have at home, so it's kind of like 101 uses. Actually, it's like we always say it's the ages like 4 to 104, and then it's just you can make anything. There's nothing that you can't do, and we're learning that, as I say, from children. We learn it from ourselves. It's amazing the things you